Hey, I'll find the news for Zodiac. Where? Hey, how about those super mafuta matakana kwa zaka 5 kulikabla tikatesa
bali kufunika kotani kuti Malawi asagwe mkai atuluke mjumba zawo ndikupita kuponya voti.
I think Malawi wants kuona zimene zakitika zaka 5 zapita achenjiro kwambiri njala mafuta akuziwa kwambiri aona zonse akuziwa kuti zimene zithe Mungu anafuna kuti zithe kushuka kuliwo ngabode kuti kapena pakhale boma la Sudan kapena kuti boma la Sudan
Your Excellency, you've just cast your vote.
Bringing a new government, and maybe a new government will try its best to correct some of the problems. And when you have a situation like this where in 5 years our government has not been what will happen with that group, and so on and so forth. That's why we have elections every 5 years.
Now, voting is a right, and we have seen people coming in their large numbers to vote. But maybe there could be some who have not yet made up their mind to go and vote. What would you tell them?
Well, to tell them that it's very, very important that they should go and vote. I think it's a responsibility of every Malawian in our democracy to exercise the right to vote, the right to decide how this country is going to go in future. If you don't vote, then you are losing, throwing away that right to decide how this country is going to be managed in future. So I urge everyone to vote.
What's your general impression of the election process today?
General impression of the
election processes today, from the start to where you casted your first ballot?
Well, I haven't been to many places, but I'm told there's a good turnout. I'm told there are a few places where they've found some funny things. I think some ballot papers. I think Chilomoni, somewhere, a place called Malembo in Longwe, and a few others. A few irregularities, but the impression I'm getting is that this is going really well, better than we expected. I think it's going well. I think everyone is behaving responsibly, both the government and the opposition. We all wish this country well. So I think everyone is exercising responsibility and restraint. And I think it's going to be that way.
As we wait for results, your message to Malawians?
My message?
Yes.
My message is we will wait for the results, and then after that we take Malawi forward.
Thank you so much. That's Professor Arthur Peter Mutharika, former president of Malawi.
Mabanja bwelele. Bora ndio maana anaacha bwelele kana njala. Hamna matawa. Mabanja bwelele hamna matawa. Hakuna njala. Mai mabanja.
olemekezeka Professor Arthur Peter Mutharika mtsogoleri wa chipani cha Democratic Progressive Party DPP kucheza Ndi Atolankhani pamalo oponyera voti a Goliati atangomaliza kumene kuponya voti yawo pa chisankho chimene changochitika kumene kuno kwathu ku Malawi. Ndi matikusana choka Malawi tiuzeni maganizo anu komanso mutiuze ngati niyo munakavotera kuti ngati mukufunanso kukhoza kutiuza kuti niyo mwavotera ndani mutiuza in the comment section below pompano pa Nyasa VoiceBox.